Hi everyone, and as we get ready to prepare our first draft of the ePortfolio, I'd like you to go into, once you get into the home page of Co-op 101, go into lecture series. In lecture series, I know that we skipped I skipped this and this was my fault. So we're on week 3, week of September 10th. All right, that is where the ePortfolio assignment is. Okay, click in. You'll see some other information, all right, that's given to you about identifying your strengths and your strengths assessment, all right. But for the ePortfolio, all right, take a look at understand the importance of ePortfolio. LaGuardia Community College is the headquarters or guru for ePortfolio, so I'd like you to take a look at that. All right, I'll also have the video posted for you, what we're doing right now for the schedule of workshops. All right, the password for this Co-op 101 ePortfolio is careers. And your ePortfolio must have a welcome page and an about me page, an original banner, a quote in the welcome page, introductory video that you created for the introductory assignment. Remember, other people are going to see this ePortfolio. So if you don't want to use your voice thread and you want to use your cell phone, but make sure you have a professional looking video, not anything where you're wearing casual clothes, earphones, pajamas, or anything like that. All right, this is ePortfolio, and you're in a co-op class. This is a prospective employer looking at a prospective interviewer looking at your ePortfolio. This is what you're showing the interviewer. All right, your ePortfolio must be free from errors in sentence structure, spelling, or grammar. Right, include in your ePortfolio your career goals, pictures, and other videos. All right. The first draft will be due Monday, October the 29th. Okay. And I want you to take a look when you get into the ePortfolio, ladies and gentlemen. You have to go to the Hostos homepage. Right. This is what your Hostos homepage looks like. Log into, for students, ePortfolios. All right. Student workshops, or you can go in here, you could either way, whether you do it here or here, you're still going to have to give your Hostos email user ID and Hostos email password, not CUNY first. So if you don't remember what your Hostos email username is or password, go to C595. All right, I cannot help you with that. Don't come looking for me to help you with getting your password you don't remember, or your username. Remember, this comes through the Hostos email. All right, how important it is to work with your Hostos email. When you get into student workshops, and my computer is a little slow. I think everybody's using this at the Blackboard at the same time, or the Hostos email. All right, you'll see a schedule for ePortfolio. Obviously, September 10th is gone. Okay, we can look at September 20th. We could look at September the 28th. Once you click in, okay, of course, this is, I'm a faculty member, so I am not able to log in. But you'll be able to see something down here where it asks you to enroll. All right, and the workshop is going to be in person. This is the day and the time and the room number. All right, so please make sure. Doesn't have to be September 28th. You could do anything before October the 31st, the 29th, because you don't want to wait until the last minute to learn how to do this. Okay, so you'll click at the chevron down there to continue with the rest of the month of October for the schedules for ePortfolio. All right, so the last one for an ePortfolio in October before the due date, October the 29th, is October the 23rd, and it's on Tuesday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. All right, and make sure that when you get into of course I can't do this, but you have to log in first, look at the date and the time. Of course, all of the workshops will be in C559. So make sure that you do this, ladies and gentlemen. Schedule your workshops. Okay. Then once you schedule your workshop, and the password for Co-op 101 is careers. This is very important as well. All right. when you get into the ePortfolio and the workshops, you'll be able to see your course. Okay, so when you get into, log into ePortfolios. Okay, so when you get into the Digication, because this is Digication, this is not Blackboard, right? All right, this is what the portfolio will look like when you begin the training. Okay, you scroll down and you look for Co-op 101. Okay, Co-op 101 will look just like this. Okay, so when you get the training, the tech will show you how to get in, how to create the banners, all of the things that I ask you to do for the welcome and about me page. All right? Any questions about scheduling? Any questions about the assignment itself? Please post in Q&A questions about ePortfolio. Thank you very much and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.